Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 312 or occupation of real property or usurpation of real rights in property. Under Article 312, occupation of real property or usurpation of real rights in property is committed by any person who, by means of violence against or intimidation of persons, shall take possession of any real property or shall usurp any real rights in property belonging to another. Para maging liable sa crime na ito, may apat itong elements. First, offender takes possession of any real property or usurps any real rights in property. Diba sabi natin sa robbery, ang nanakaw ay personal property. Dito sa Article 312, real property po ang ninakaw. Example ng real property, lands at buildings. So ano ang ginawa ni offender? Ginamit niya or tinirhan niya yung property o nang agaw ng karapatan sa real property na yon. Example nito ay yung mga squatters. Second, real property or real rights belongs to another. If the accused is the owner of the property which he usurped from the possessor, he cannot be held liable for usurpation. Yung possessor or usurper ay hindi niya pagmamay-ari yung real property na yon. Otherwise, hindi ito ang liability niya kung meron man. Third element, violence against or intimidation of persons is used by the offender in occupying real property or usurping real rights in property. Yung offender either sinaktan physically or tinakot yung may-ari ng real property para maagaw, magamit, or matirhan niya ito. Fourth, there is intent to gain. Considering that this is a crime against property, there must be intent to gain. In the absence of intent to gain, the act may constitute coercion. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.